Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to install 3K CCTV camera. Firstly, before you start, make sure your CCTV package includes 3K cameras, DVR, power adapters, video and power cables and mouse and HDMI, then screws and monitoring kits. Now identify key surveillance areas, entrances, driveways, hallways, etc. and avoid direct sunlight. Now use the mounting template if provided to mark drill holes, drill and insert anchors, then attach the camera bracket. Adjust the camera direction and tighten the screws. Now for wired CCTV systems, plug the video cable from each camera into the DVR's video input. Then connect the power adapter or power splitter to each camera. Attach the HDMI cable for the DVR of your monitor or TV. Now plug in the DVR power cable and switch on the monitor. Wait for the system to boot up and you'll see a live feed on screen. Walk in front of each camera to ensure recording and motion detection works properly. Adjust the angles or brightness if necessary. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.